What's up guys, it's video here today. I'm showing you how to create this cool looking race car. Oh, you did. Okay. So remember, this is my sister.
Hi, subscribe for 10 million likes and follow my channel. Bye.
Yeah, so her channel is called Spider Sunshine. I don't know. So when she makes her first video, make sure to click around to subscribe. So here's how you make it.
Wait, before you guys learn it, make sure if you're watching this, Santa, please follow us, Roblox. We went to our comments and put our usernames to tell you to add us our friends or Moody or Unicorns or
Yes, Santa, is you there? Sophia is your fan. Is you hear Moody too? Then she's a fan.
And if you have a neon cow to spare, please give me because that's my dream pet. Bye.
Yeah. Comment down below if you have it, or comment down below if you don't. Comment down below if you don't play Roblox.
And comment down below if you are Santa. So bye. And Moody too and Unicorn.
When you comment, make sure to prove it. So the first step is you have to have these. So you need a square paper. So you gotta make sure to fold this into first. So the first step is to fold into like this, and then fold this up.
Daddy!
It should be in this design. And unfold everything, and then use your scissors. You can see this is small scissors. This is 5 inches. Be careful and cut this out. So this is how you get this piece. I like that. And so the first step of doing it is to fold this diagonally. So fold it diagonally is like this. Repeat in the outside. Unfold it. Repeat in the other side. Repeat in the outside like this. And unfold it. Should be in this design. You can't really see it, but look, you can see these folds. And the next step is flip it into like this, so you can see the dot. Make sure the dot is in there. And then fold these two corners into the corners that you just folded. Repeat in the other side. It may be confusing, but make sure it's in this design. Unfold it. And make sure to squash fold it by pressing this. And then squish these two down, and then squish this down. This is down. This. It should be in this design. Repeat in the outside.
Sorry guys, if you didn't hear me, that was actually me. Sorry. You could say it again because I think they didn't hear me.
And so it should be in this design right here. And the next step is to fold these corners, these things, into like this. It should be in this design. You see there's no folds. And you see there's no these wrappy things. This should be look like. Repeat in the outside. Make sure it's in the same side. It should be in this design. And fold this edge into the middle. You can tell the middle is because of these wrap things tell you where it is. Unfold it and repeat in the outside.
Really? Yeah. You had nothing but nice things to say about you.
Regardless, no. I have a pregnant wife. I have to get back to Los Angeles. This is a huge misunderstanding. What am I supposed to do?
It should be in this design.
Forrest Gump?
This design.
Yes. Well,
And the next step is to fold this down into this design.
the manageable kind of micro install.
Yeah, it's
But it unfortunately
kind of difficult for me because it's mini. It should be in this design.
Nope, I did not. I was
Repeat in the outside.
the whole time. I was
Or you could just like do like put this corner up if you want, but this is better. So should be this design. And this is the most confusing part. Get this up and then put it into this maybe pocket right here. Put it in. If you want, you could just fold this into like that, and then it has to be in this design, and then just open it, and then just pop it in. Just keep on going off, then push more in until it gets to max, and then push it. It should be in this design. Make sure that it should be in this house design. And the next step is to fold this into right here. It should be in this tinier house design. And then fold this, and then you can see it, and then fold this part into the bottom edge. It should be in this big movie design, and lift it up. So you can see you got a racing part. It's about to discover my fingers covers. And the next step is to lift this up. Lift up. It should be in this design. Repeat in the outside. There we go. And then make sure to unfold into a 90-degree angle. It should be like this. And there, you're done. This is how you make a paper race car. So click the rest and subscribe. Let's get 20 more likes and 5 more subscribers, because remember on the first video I said to get 5 likes and 2 subscribers. You guys get more than that. So let's get big and get 20 more likes, and 5 more subscribers. So if you're confused, then you can go to the Saturn 7.
Yes, I do.
You can go to the Saturn 7 video, or you could go to the glider, which is kind of more easier. So click a like and subscribe, and bye. I don't know why I do it this way.